What's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is David Benjamin from Wellstar Reviews and Healthy Wild Free. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Lamb's clothing, the Havn clothing, and share with you the radiation test. Now, someone commented on my Lamb's review and they were like, can you actually test this? And I was like, you know what? That's a great idea. I have a radiation meter. So let's put Lamb's clothing, which is now known as Havn. Let's put Havn EMF-blocking apparel, and there are different garments to the test. So I have 3 different garments from them, so I'll show you the results. I'll test each of them. I have their boxers right here, which you can see that silver lining Faraday on the inside there. And then I have their shirt, their t-shirt, the Lamb's shirt, which, you know, as you can see there, Lamb's has the silver lining on the inside. And then last but not least, I have their Beanie hat, which is a nice little beanie, good in the wintertime, good in cooler climates. So what I'm going to do to sort of officiate this test is I'm going to take the radiation meter first and foremost. The Alexa is playing music. I'm going to stick it. So blue is good. Blue is fine. Under 50 is okay. Right now it's like 40 near my cell phone. But if I get closer, it's going to get higher, probably. Nope. But if I do it with the Alexa, it will. So watch this. So it's at 40. There we go. It was stuck. Okay. It is stuck. Okay. So we're back. 18, 5. So it's moving now. Okay. So now I'm going to take this. It's blue. Put it next to the Alexa. And it's going to shoot up to 130. Wow. 138, 140, 150, 140. Keep playing music. So 138, 137. So it kind of tops out at 138. Now it's back to 100. So it kind of fluctuates between 100 and 130. Right now it's 102, 104, 110, 115, 120. So between 100 and 130. So let's just say, I don't know, 115 on average, okay? So that's where it lands in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave this on the counter here near the Alexa, but not too close that it will actually start reading that at a high level. I'm going to take each clothing garment, I'm going to put it over the Alexa, like in between, and that will block it like it would on our body. Alexa, play music. And what it will do, I'm going to stop saying what that is because it keeps triggering it. But basically, it'll block it, and then we'll do a reading in between this and the music listening device to see how it differs. So remember, the average reading was red, it was 115. I'm going to put this shirt literally on top of the Alexa, like this, to cover it. Whoops, I shouldn't have said that. So now it's covered, but the music is still playing, and I'm going to put this right here. And it's still going in the red, and it's going to 55, 56, 55, 55. So 55. So remember, 115 was the baseline, so 55 for the shirt. So that's about a 60% reduction. It's more than 50%. So pretty good for the shirt. You're reducing radiation about 50%. Now let's test the boxers next. And the boxers, they're actually pretty comfortable, I will say. And the other nice thing about silver that I will add is silver is antimicrobial. So it helps with funky smells, which is a good thing. So I'm going to take the boxers, throw it over the Alexa listening device, like that. So I'm going to cover it, and then I'm going to take the radiation meter, and it's blue. I'm going to put it right next to it, and get a reading, and it's still red, and it's clocking in at about 87, okay? Oh, wow, 103, 107. 106, 108, boy, yeah. So the highest I got was like 107, 108, and the baseline was 115. So the boxers don't seem to do a whole lot. Slight radiation reduction, but not a ton. Now let's move on to the beanie. So far the shirt is about a 60% reduction from 115 down to 55. More than half of radiation is reduced in the shirt. Now let's take the beanie, and what I'm gonna do with the beanie, because it's smaller, I'm gonna just set it like this, kind of on top of it, and I'm gonna actually put the radiation meter in there like this, so it's covered, and let's see how it clocks. Okay, So this one, the Beanie, is 10, 11. 10, 13, 11. It's quite literally 12, 10, 11. It's averaging like 11 or 12. So it's not even in the red. 50, when it hits 50 or goes above 50, that's when you start to not like the radiation levels. This one's topping out about 10. So to go from 115 on the radiation meter to a 10 is it's like a 95% reduction. So the Beanie is their most effective product, reducing radiation by like 95%. Their shirt reduces radiation by about 60%. And the boxers coming in last, which is unfortunate for us, is only reducing radiation maybe 5-10% tops. So the products do work, and there's an order of which products work best. So if you're gonna get it, the shirt and the Beanie make the most sense. Also, you know, the shirt is covering a larger surface area. It's covering your heart and your gut. And you can also tuck your shirt in also if you're wearing it under a hoodie or something. And then the hat is your brain. So those I think are worth getting. The boxers, maybe not, because I don't know, for whatever reason, I think it's just a thinner material. One thing I noticed was that the Beanie is much thicker. So maybe that thicker material is a stronger Faraday cage. And you know, maybe the shirt, I don't know, is a little bit thicker. It's like, this feels like maybe it's a little bit thicker as well. But regardless, those are the results. Those are the test results. Havn does work. It's just each of the products work differently, and some work better than others. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to get, I think it's like $15 off Havn clothing. Click the link commented in the pinned in the comment section below, and that'll give you a discount on Havn beanies, shirts, clothing, all of it. And if you want to get discounts on more than 20 different health and wellness brands, check out healthywildfree.com/shop below, and you'll get a bunch of discounts there on personal health and wellness brands that I personally use, that I've vetted, that are high quality organic brands, biodynamic. I'm talking superfoods, supplements, health foods, red lights, hydrogen water machines, water filters, shower filters, air filters, biohacking, lymphatic health, gut health, brain health, cardiovascular health, and so much more. So check that out below in the comment section. Subscribe for future videos, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.